And basically just how much decay I had in my mouth deteriorated most of my enamel. I had 14, 15 cavities when I went into this visit. This is when I went through all of kind of my dental trauma. So the only solution for the enamel being torn off, I apologize about the train. I live on the west side. The only solution was to, take it down to nothing and put crowns on. And so I got 6 crowns that day, like 6 temporaries, went back 2 weeks later, got 6 real crowns. And I love them and I think that they're beautiful, but because my experience with having braces was so unpleasant, it really felt like such a waste of time if I knew I was just going to get beautiful, white, perfect, fake teeth anyway. But how could we have known? So that happened. And then just throughout the years, like I said, I have the best dentist. He taught me how to take care of my teeth, what mouthwashes to use. He wrote me a bunch of prescriptions for fluoride, for mouth rinse, for toothpaste, for stuff like that. And I really feel like I've actively tried since then to take care of my oral hygiene, and yet it still fails me all the time. So at this point, this is what I wrote down for you guys, so I could give the listeners what they're after. Tell me if I'm wrong, though, because I'll feel so bad about it. I only have teeth, or the bottom, does this make sense?